Hi guys, welcome to Code Artisan Lab. This is video number 73 for learning management system in Django with ReactJs. In our previous video, we have implemented the functionality in teacher dashboard that a teacher can see all the added quiz. Okay, now in this video we are going to implement the edit and delete functionality so that teacher can edit the quiz if he has added something wrong, or he can delete the quiz. Okay, so this will same as the the course edit and delete, right? So we will take reference from there. Okay, so first of all, let's remove this add quiz teacher. Let's keep this, and yeah, let's keep this all. Now we need to create this edit course, so we will say edit course here we have, and we will copy this and paste here, and we will say edit quiz, right? So this is edit quiz, and we will change the name of this function, so we'll say quiz. Okay, and here we have this one, right? So this is the edit quiz, right? And what others we need to change? We need to change lots of things. Don't need this category, and this will be quiz data, right? So quiz data, here we have quiz data, and we don't need this category even, title, detail, and nothing else. Okay, this is not course ID, this will be quiz ID, right? And this will be, we don't need this, use effect, trying fetch current course data, fetch current quiz data, right? So teacher quiz detail, right? And here it will be quiz ID, right? And this is set quiz data. So category, not category, we just need to set the title and detail, right? So title, detail here. We don't need this file change because no, we are not adding any file. Oh, the file change is this one, right? And this will be course, not course data, this will be quiz data, and we will set this quiz data here, right? And remove this teacher 1, we are passing teacher 1 statically, but no, we don't need this. So here we have a quiz data, right? And quiz data, and this will be title, this will be detail, right? And we don't need this tag and image, right? And this will be quiz detail, this is quiz ID. Okay, and title data has been updated, everything is else fine. Edit quiz, right? And we don't need this category too, and this is quiz data, title on change, everything is fine. And this will be detail, right? And this is detail, right? And we don't need this feature image, right? Technology, we don't need this technology, right? And everything else is fine. We just need to create these functions, right? And one thing more, we need to fetch the quiz teacher ID. So how we can fetch the teacher ID? From the storage. Okay, if you remember that we are storing the teacher ID in the browser storage, right? So this is teacher ID, we will pass it here. Yes. Okay, so everything else is fine, we just need to pass the quiz ID and all that. So from the params, right? So when we click on the quiz, we need to pass the quiz ID. So teacher courses, here we have a edit link. So what I will do, I'll copy this to copy all this, and let's go to the all quiz, and here we have a edit, and we will paste it here, and we will simply say edit quiz, and here we will pass row.id. Okay, so row.id, and let's add this okay, and add this component in the main. So here we are main, and let's copy this and paste it here, and we will say edit quiz, and here we have edit quiz here, and this will be edit quiz. Let's go here and let's copy this, paste it here, and let's say edit quiz. This is edit chapter, so we will copy this and paste it here, and we will say quiz id, right? And this will be edit quiz. It's taking time to, yes, okay. So when we click on this URL, this will go to this component edit quiz, and edit quiz will fetch the detail and set the data. So we need to check this URL, right? So teacher course detail, teacher course detail. So we'll copy this, right, and we will paste it here. So teacher quiz detail, and here we have teacher quiz detail. So we will just view, and let's fetch teacher course detail. So we will copy this and paste it here. So teacher quiz detail, right? Teacher quiz detail, model is quiz, and serializer is quiz serializer. Everything else is fine. It will handle the put method, I mean update method, and all the things, right? So let's try to implement that now. And when we click on that, it will be go to okay. So let's try to implement. When we click on this, we have edit quiz, and let's go to the quiz. We have this one, quiz 2. Let's click on this, make this 2 updated, and let's say detail is also updated. Why the detail is not working? Let's check this in the edit quiz. We have detail, data detail is this, and quiz data is fine, and quiz data detail is also fine. Name should be detail, not description, right? So let's check, and let's say updated, submit. Data has been updated, right? So if you go to the quiz here, you can see that this is updated, right? Now let's try to implement the delete functionality, right? So if you go to the teacher course, here we have a delete functionality. This is a button, and I don't think this button is working because we didn't implemented the delete functionality here. Okay, let's go to my courses, and let's go to full, and here we have a delete functionality. So let's go to teacher, let's go to chapter, course chapters, and let's check this delete functionality. From here we will take the reference. So here it is saying handle delete, so we will copy this function, right? And in the all quiz we will paste it here, handle delete click, and we will say row.id, right? So and row.id, and now let's copy this functionality, handle delete, and copy here, and let's go to all quiz, right? And after the this will be work, and this will be quiz id. Okay, so I show you want to do this. Okay, swell. So we need to fetch this sweet alert also, because we are going to show the delete after delete in the sweet alert, right? So sweet alert is fine, everything is fine. Here it will be quiz, and this will be quiz id, right? So data has been deleted, and try, we are fetching the data and setting the data, okay. So set total result, we have let's see this, we all need this thing, chapter, we need this this one, actually just this one, because we already have a quiz data. Total result, set total result is fine, and set total result, set quiz data, set quiz data here, right? And data has not been deleted, everything is fine. We say course chapter, this will be say this is we can say this is course id, we will say the quiz, right? So all, I think all quiz will be here, right? So what is the URL for all quiz? Here we have teacher quiz, actually teacher quiz, and we will pass the teacher ID. We'll pass the teacher ID. Okay, so here we are, and quiz ID. So we need to this one is a chapter ID, huh? So quiz ID. Okay, so where it is, where is the chapter, huh? Where is the chapter? Here, yeah. So no, this one, this is not this one, chapter detail view, right? So we will say course detail view, quiz detail view. So this one is quiz, and this will be quiz detail view, right? And let's check this chapter detail view in the view. Here we are, and this is course, and this is chapter detail view, right? So what I will do, I will copy this and paste it here, right? So this will be quiz detail view, and this one is quiz, and this one is quiz serializer. We don't need this serializer text. Okay, so when we will implement the delete functionality, it should work. So what we are doing here, the delete method, and then from the success we are fetching the data and setting the data, so that it will delete the data and show the updated one, right? So now let's try to implement this. We have quiz, right? Let's click on the quiz. We have delete. Let's click on the delete, continue. So okay, so now you can see that we have deleted this data. This data is not showing here. Okay, so we have successfully completed our edit and delete functionality. In the next video we will implement the add questions, and then we will assign the quiz, the whole quiz, to the course, and we will also show the notification in the student panel if he has enrolled in that course in which we have in which teacher will assign the quiz, right? And then student can attempt the question, right? So yes, we are doing. So thank you so much for watching this video, and please subscribe this channel, share this channel, like this video, share this video. Okay, so thank you so much, and please support me via Razor Pay or PayPal. So thank you so much.